guys, you are watching Wise Tech Engineering Drawing YouTube channel by Mohammad Abdul Mehboob. Today I am going to explain you the problem of projection of planes chapter of problem number 5, a square lamina on square lamina. So today, before starting my question, please watch my videos till the end, and please like my video, subscribe and share to your friends or relatives, which is applicable to diploma, ITI and engineering students for mechanical, civil or electrical or automobile or whichever branch it is applicable to it. So please, it will be helpful to you. Please like and subscribe. Now I am going to start my problem. A square lamina of 40 mm sides rests with one of its corner on HP. The diagonal passing through this corner is inclined at 45 degree to HP and 30 degree to VP. Draw its projection. Okay, before starting, this is the XY line you have to draw, and this is the vertical plane VP, this is the whole vertical plane, and this is the horizontal plane HP. Okay, you have to do the three projections: first projection, second projection, third projection. In this, you have to start here. Before starting from here, you have to see the three things. Okay, from the question, three things. First is plane side, and on what it is resting. Okay, so first is plane. Which plane it is? A square. A square is the plane that is over. Now side means how much side it is? 40 mm side. Means a square is having 40 mm side. Rest with one of its corner. Okay, on corner it is resting. Plane having 40 mm side, square having 40 mm side, and it is resting on corner. So how to draw a square on corner of 40 mm? So I am showing you. Take a point here, and with your mini drafter or any protractor, adjust your mini drafter 45 degree angle, and take a line, 45 degree angle line. Then after, on that 45 degree angle, you have to draw how much side it is? 40 mm. So I am drawing 40 mm side here and here also. Then after, on the other end, you have to draw a 40 mm line and draw a line to end, means your square is resting on corner I am resting, and extra line which you have drawn 45 degree angle line, you can rub it, and this is resting on corner. Square of 40 mm is resting on corner. Okay, then after you have to label the points A, B, C, D, not points, ends. Okay, then after, from each ends you have to take the projection line till XY line from A, B and D and this C. Okay, the remaining line which you are getting now, this line is lamina. You have to dark it. This line is called lamina. So to label here on the lamina, you have to see this plane from downwards, each point. Okay, each point. If you see A from downwards, A is visible. This A point is visible. You have to write it at A dash. B is also visible. You have to write it as B dash. C is also visible. You have to write it as C dash. But D, it is invisible. You have to write it in bracket. Okay. Now the first projection completes, and you have to show the dimension of this square as said in the question. This is the extension line, dimensioning line, arrow marks, 40 mm. Okay, now first projection finished. Now for the second projection, from till here the solution completes. Now for the second projection, only you have to see the angle on which is giving to the HP. Means in the question, the angle which is given to the HP means how much? 45 degree. Means here you have to draw a 45 degree angle, and you have to copy this lamina on 45 degree angle. So to put a point, take your protractor, take 45 degree angle here on that point, and take a light line with your divider, copy this lamina, whole lamina, and draw it. Take an arc, and this point also. Okay, now dark this lamina. This labeling also same, means your lamina is 45 degree inclined to HP. To HP is saying, so you have to draw like this. So this labeling also same, A dash, B dash, D dash and C dash. Okay, and you have to show the angle, how much angle it is given in the question, 45 degree, 45 degree, like this only. Now you have to draw the projection lines from each point, from each this labeling, from A dash, B dash, D dash, C dash, and from this also A, C, D, B. Okay, after taking the projection lines, these points and these points, you have to see where it is meeting and you have to put a point and label it. For example, A dash, where it is meeting? Here, this is A. B, B, B. C, C, C. D, D, D. After removing the points, you have to draw the lines from A to B, B to C, C to D, D to A. Okay, now this is the second projection finished. Now for the third projection, it is very important for in this question that in the third projection you have to remove extra true angle, because in the question I am going to explain you how it is. The diagonal passing through this corner is inclined at 45 degree to HP. The second projection is finished, and 30 degree to VP, means the angle which is given to VP 30 degree, you have to draw here. First you draw, then I am going to explain you 30 degree. I am taking from here. After taking the angle, put a point here, anywhere else or else here. Okay, then draw a perpendicular line with this, parallel line with this XY line, adjust your drafter and put a line, parallel line. Okay, Y means, we have to take this, we have to remove the true length, because this 30 degree angle is not a true angle to rest this square plane here with the diagonal, because in the question the diagonal passing through this corner means the corner which is diagonal, which is having this diagonal is not resting on 30 degree angle, which means it is not saying that it is appearing in the question. He is not saying any appearing in the question, means and appears to be inclined at 30 degree to VP. Directly he is saying and 30 degree to VP. It is not appearing, so that's why the diagonal passing through this corner you have to remove the extra angle. So how to remove that extra angle? So I am explaining you. So after doing this 30 degree angle, taking with the question 30 degree angle, okay, you have to measure this diagonal from A to C. Okay, then you keep it here and put an arc. Then after, now measure this A to C, second projection top view diagonal. Then you have to keep on another end, and on that parallel line you have to make an arc. Means this point and this point is the coming angle to you. Means this is the true angle of this third projection. Okay, then you have to show the angle also. So by measuring with your protractor you can show how much angle. Here I am getting 50 degree angle. Okay, 50 degree I am showing you. Okay, then after, in this this diagonal you have copied here. So this is the A point, this is the C point. The remaining this lines you have to copy with the divider. This line measurement, this line D to C, then B to C, B to A, all these lines measurement are same. So by keeping on this A end, I am writing an arc here, upwards and downwards also. Where these two arcs are meeting, you have to draw the lines, or to meet the lines to A and C, and on upwards arcs also, this one and this one. You can rub this arc after drawing your plane. Then this point is, this figure is copied like this. This point is D and this is B. Then after, you have to project the projection lines upwards from each labeling A, B, C, D. From this second projection lamina, that is the front view, okay, from each. Then these points and these points you have to see where it is meeting, and you have to put a point and root and label it. So how? For example, I am showing you A, where it is meeting here, this is the A dash, B, here it is meeting B dash, C, where it is meeting here, C dash, D, where it is meeting here, D dash. After removing the points, so you have to dark it from A to B dash, B dash to C dash, C dash to D dash, D dash to A dash. Okay, this is the complete solution of this problem. So this is the note is that after completing your solution, many students forgot to do the dimensioning whatever given in the question, like 40 degree, 40 mm, 45 degree and 30 degree. I have shown the 40 mm length, 45 degree, 30 degree. You have to show the dimensioning also in the problem. Okay, if you like my videos, please share, like and subscribe my videos. You are watching Wise Tech Engineering Drawing YouTube channel. So by Muhammad Abdul Mehboob, and please like, subscribe and share, and don't forget to comment in my YouTube channel inbox. Thank you very much.